I'm Katie.
Hi, I'm Amanda, and we're here to tell you about how monkeys are related to humans, or
Not.
related.
Oh, sorry.
Humans are more closely related to modern apes than to monkeys, but we didn't evolve from apes either.
Humans share a common ancestor with modern African apes, as do gorillas and chimpanzees. Scientists believe this common ancestor existed 5 to 8 million years ago, shortly after the species divided. One of these ultimately evolved into gorillas and chimps, and the other evolved into early human ancestors called hominids.
Like humans, monkeys largely benefit from being actively involved in learning instead of having information just presented to them. The advantage of active learning appears to be a fundamental property of memory in humans alike. This was said by Nate Cornell, a UCLA postdoctoral scholar in psychology and a lead author of the following study. Next, we're going to discuss the difference between our DNAs. Katie?
Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, while chimpanzees have 24. That is one difference. Evolutionary scientists believe that one of the human chromosomes has been formed through the fusion of two small chromosomes in the chimp instead of an intrinsic difference resulting from a separate creation.
Well, 18 pairs of chromosomes are virtually identical. Chromosomes 4, 9, and 12 show evidence of being remodeled. 4, in other words, the genes and makers of the chromosomes are not in the same order in the human and chimpanzees. Instead of being remodeled as evolutionists suggests, these could logically also be intrinsic differences because of a separate creation.
The Y chromosome in particular, that is wrong. The Y chromosome in particular is of a different size and has many markers that do not line up between the human and chimpanzee.
Humans and monkeys have a 98% similarity in their DNAs. Oh.
Next, we're going to discuss the differences of the human and the monkey's brains.
Humans have at least 2 functional networks in their cerebral cortex, not found in monkeys. This means that new brain networks were likely added in the course of evolution from primate to ancestors to humans.
Our ancestors evolutionarily split from those of rhesus monkeys about 25 million years ago. Since then, brain areas have been added, have disappeared, or have changed in function. This raises the question, has evolution given humans unique brain structures? Scientists have entertained the idea before, but conclusive evidence was lacking. By combining different research methods, we now have a first piece of evidence that could prove that humans have unique cortical brain networks.
Professor Van Duffel explains, "We did functional brain scans in humans and monkeys at rest and while watching a movie to compare both the place and the function of cortical brain networks. Even at rest, the brain is very active. Different brain areas that are active simultaneously during rest form so-called resting state networks. For the most part, these resting state networks in humans and monkeys are surprisingly similar, and we found 2 networks unique to humans and 1 unique network in monkeys." And that's all you need to know about monkeys and humans.
Peace out, Wimber's class. Hey! We're going to assess the... Hi, I messed up.
Katie?
What?
I'm recording.
I'm texting like always.